Hey guys, I'm back, and today in this video I'll let you give away two of my personal favorite 808 kicks. It's just a token to appreciate the subscribers. We just crossed 100 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you so much to each and every one of you. I know it's not much, but for me it's huge, and hopefully you're gonna keep supporting me. So thank you so much. And yeah, as you can see, I'm off. Okay, for some reason the internet is not working today. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, I'll get you the link. You can download the file. Okay, it's right here. It will be in the RAR format, kind of. I don't know, you're gonna have to extract it and stuff, and if you have any issues you can let me know. Anyway, so yeah, here it is. You are gonna have two 808. I'm gonna play that in a second, okay, and let you hear it how it sounds. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. All right. So that's how it sounds, the number one and number two. I mean, this is really smooth. This second one is really smooth. It's so smooth. I love it. Let's just hear it once more. And you can hear that click sound. It's not because of the this file, okay, it's because of the recording. I don't know, some kind of stuff. The click sound, it's just fine, okay, you just fine. All right, just link will be in the description. It will be probably in the Google Drive of MediaFire, probably Google Drive. Anyway, the point is you're gonna get the file, so go get the 808 and make some hits. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, listening and supporting. I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe. I really need 1K subscribers, okay. And yep, that's it. I'm out. Peace out guys.